subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, low battery. So how you can make your iPhone works longer without charging. So for doing this, just first thing, close all unnecessary apps from your multitask, and another thing, just go to the settings, just open general, just open background app refresh and just turn off this function. So just go back. Another thing you need to check is just find here screen time. So just turn off screen time on your iPhone. So, and the latest thing you can try, just open battery and just choose low power mode, turn on this option. So also you can add it to your shortcuts and just turn it on from shortcuts. So here you can see this, that I successfully add this low power mode to my shortcuts. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.